Alright, if any of y'all are watching this, I found another way to get out the map. Look. Oh.
What the heck?
Beach map, of course. You see this little line right here? I'm gonna jump over to that. You're just gonna do the same thing. So when you're inside the area and cave place, you should stay here cricking the crickets. You're gonna make sure you don't pass that whole thing right there. You wanna come to this bar right here. If you stop hearing the crickets from force and you start hearing water, you need to do the whole thing again. I'm gonna go on top of this crystal. Get on here, jump onto this wall. I'm gonna slowly come here. You're gonna grab onto this wall, and he's gonna wall bounce. You're gonna go up this rope, and then you should see it unloaded, and then you're out the map. Go ahead and go caves, whatever y'all do.